Well, hello friends! Are you ready for a new adventure? I sure hope so, because today we're talking about a place that is just buzzing with life. A city with so much heart and so much flavor. I'm talking about Baltimore, Maryland. Now you might think you know Baltimore, but I'm telling you, this city is like a treasure chest just waiting to be opened. It's got this incredible mix of old-school American history, a funky art scene that will make you smile, and oh my goodness, the food! It's a city of neighborhoods, each one with its own personality, its own story. It's a place where you can feel the history in the cobblestone streets and see the future in its vibrant, creative energy. I promise you, Baltimore is ready to surprise you in the best way possible. So what is it about this place? I think it's the people. Everywhere you go, you meet someone who is passionate about their city. They want to share it with you. They'll tell you where to get the best crab cake or which little museum has the most amazing things inside. It's not one of those cities that puts on a show, it's genuinely itself. You feel like you've been let in on a wonderful secret. Baltimore has a nickname, Charm City, and it's not just a cute slogan, it's a promise. The city has this undeniable charm that gets under your skin and makes you feel right at home. Are you ready? Let's go have some fun. Okay, first things first. When you get to Baltimore, you have to go to the Inner Harbor. You just have to. It's the city's beautiful sparkling front porch. It's where everything happens. Historic ships are docked right there, just waiting for you to climb aboard and imagine what life was like sailing the high seas. You can see the USS Constellation, a magnificent old warship. It's like stepping back in time. Now, just a short water taxi ride from the harbor is a place that gives me goosebumps. It's Fort McHenry. This is where it happened, folks. This is where Francis Scott Key was inspired to write the Star-Spangled Banner. You can walk the grounds of this star-shaped fort and just feel the history in the air. Standing on those ramparts, looking out at the very same view, you can almost hear the bombs bursting in air. It's a powerful experience. And now, for something completely different, but just as amazing. Right back at the Inner Harbor is the National Aquarium. Wow, just wow, this place is unbelievable. It's not just a few fish in a tank, it's a whole world. There's a giant rainforest exhibit at the very top, complete with birds and monkeys. You wind your way down through these incredible habitats, from the Amazon River to the coral reefs. You'll see sharks swimming over your head and thousands of beautiful fish. Okay, are your walking shoes on? I hope so, because we're heading to one of my favorite neighborhoods in any city, anywhere. It's called Fells Point. Oh, you're gonna love this place. It feels like you've walked onto a movie set. This used to be a bustling shipyard, a place where sailors from all over the world would come ashore. You can still feel that history. Today it's filled with fantastic little pubs, quirky shops, and amazing restaurants. Now let's talk about food, because you know I love to talk about food. For a true, authentic Baltimore experience, you have to visit Lexington Market. This isn't some new fancy food hall, this is the real deal. Lexington Market has been operating since 1782. Inside Lexington Market, you are on a mission. Your target, Fadley's Seafood. This place is legendary. It's famous for its crab cakes, and for good reason. We're talking big lumps of sweet, fresh crab meat barely held together and served with no fuss. Beyond the big landmarks, Baltimore has this incredible creative spirit. You have to go to the American Visionary Art Museum. This place is special. It celebrates art made by self-taught individuals, people who just had to create with no formal training. You'll see sculptures made from toothpicks, intricate embroideries, and wild, wonderful machines that you can't even begin to describe. It's inspiring, it's sometimes weird, and it's always wonderful. It will make you look at art and the world a little differently. Let's talk strategy. When should you visit? I think the best times are spring and fall. From April to June and September to October, the weather is just beautiful. It's perfect for walking around, exploring the neighborhoods, and sitting outside at a cafe. Getting around is also super easy. The central areas like the Inner Harbor and Fells Point are very walkable. For longer distances, there's a free bus service called the Charm City Circulator that hits all the major tourist spots. It's fantastic. We've talked about crab cakes, but there's another Baltimore specialty you need to try, steamed blue crabs. This is more than a meal. It's an event. You'll sit at a table covered in brown paper, they'll dump a pile of steaming hot crabs seasoned with Old Bay spice in front of you, and you'll get a little wooden mallet. One last tip from me to you. Don't just stay in the main tourist areas. Baltimore is a city of neighborhoods, and each one is worth exploring. Take a walk through Mount Vernon or check out Hampton. This is how you really get to know a city. So, what have we learned? We've learned that Baltimore is so much more than a quick stop on a map. It's a city with layers. It has a deep, important history that shaped the entire country, and you can literally walk right through it. This is a city that isn't afraid to be itself, and that's what makes it so special. It's got grit, it's got grace, and it has a spirit that is completely infectious. It's a place that welcomes you with open arms. I always say that food is the great connector, and in Baltimore that is so true. Sharing a meal here feels like you're sharing in the city's story. The food here is honest, it's delicious, it's made with pride. The real joy of Baltimore is in the discovery. It's in the unexpected moments, it's turning a corner in Fells Point and hearing live music. It's the feeling of awe as you stand inside Fort McHenry. It's a city that rewards the curious traveler. So I urge you to go and see for yourself. Don't just read about it, go walk the cobblestone streets, taste the Old Bay, and meet the wonderful people who call this place home. I promise you will not be disappointed. Baltimore is waiting for you. It's a city with a huge heart, ready to share its stories, its flavors, and its undeniable charm. So what are you waiting for? Go on, book the ticket. An amazing adventure is ready to begin. And when you get there, have a crab cake for me.